I hope my eyes are black just like my other friends. What? Rainbow? What does that mean?
Honey, put it on private. Let your friends be curious. It's more fun.
Okay, Mom.
My eye color is black. Mine's green. What's yours, Amara?
They're black.
But why are you wearing sunglasses?
Because I'm tired today. I didn't put any makeup on.
Okay, well, guys, I have to go. I'm sorry. I can't be seen with you because my eyes are green. My rank is higher than yours.
Why do some people have green eyes? What does that mean?
Whoever has blue eyes are part of the royal family, while whoever has black eyes are just ordinary people.
A part of the royal family?
Yep, that's right.
Why is this guy locked up like that?
Because he doesn't have an eye color.
So,
for example, if you don't have an eye color, you'll be considered useless and they'll put you in prison.
I have an eye color, right? Because I don't want to end up in prison like that person.
Why are you wearing sunglasses anyway? Are you hiding your eye color?
No, my mom says I have an eye infection, so I have to wear these glasses.
Are you sure you're not hiding something? Because your eye color is private. Why aren't you saying anything?
No reason.
Does rainbow mean that I don't have a specific eye color?
That's why my mom told me to put on these glasses, so I won't be put in prison. Hey, if I tell you something, do you promise not to tell anyone?
Of course.
I don't know if I have an eye color. I got rainbow.
If you're curious, why don't you just take off your glasses?
Because I'm scared. I don't want to not have an eye color.
Don't worry, just trust me. Take your glasses off. Oh my gosh.
Are my eyes black?
No, there. Everyone, please gather for an eye color check.
Huh? An eye color check? I have an eye color, right?
You do, but
If that's the case, I don't have to be scared to get checked again.
before all examinations, please go public with your eye color. Luckily, I have an eye color, so no need to be afraid. Amara, why is it loading?
My friend just told me I have an eye color, sir, but I don't know which one yet.
If you really have an eye color, please take off your glasses.
Okay, I'll remove them now.
I hope nothing bad happens. Take the glasses off.
Okay, I'll take it off.
I really hope nothing bad happens. Oh my gosh, why is your eye color?
Why is my eye color what?
Your eyes are not normal, they're colorful.
Colorful?
I finally found someone with this eye color. Officer, take her.
What's happening?
Shut up, don't move.
Sir, why am I being detained like this?
I'll leave you with this officer because I really need your eyes. They can help me.
Help you with what? You're just gonna leave me with a stranger? Let me go!
Shut up. You wait until me and your teacher come back.
So I'm gonna be left here alone?
Don't try to run away.
But please!
Amara, are you okay?
Emily, finally you came. Please help me untie these handcuffs.
You shouldn't have went to the eye exam. Everyone's after you now.
Everyone's after me?
Yes, because only your eyes can see the contents of the box.
What box?
I'll explain later. Come with me now. Basically, your eyes have the power to see what's inside the box. People with normal eyes don't see anything when
I
they
don't
open
understand. What box are you talking about?
it. Our teacher, he always has this orange-green box in class. Do you remember it?
I think so. So, do you have the box?
No, but we have to get it quickly from our teacher's classroom.
This is our classroom, but the box is no longer here. It was here just yesterday.
It seems that the teacher has taken it to the warehouse at the time you were kidnapped.
So, what are we gonna do now?
He thinks you're still in the warehouse. He must have came in and took it.
How are we gonna get it back?
Don't worry, the box is useless if people don't know what's inside. The contents can only be seen with your eyes. Wait here, I'm gonna try find it. I know where the teacher's box is.
You do?
Yes, I'll show you, but you have to come with
Okay,
me.
let's go. Emily, I'm with Olivia. She says she knows where the box is.
The box is with me now. You have to run away. She's lying to you.
Olivia? I need to go to the bathroom. My stomach hurts.
You think you can run away from me? Hey guys, she's with me. Take her.
Wait, don't!
Hey, wake up. Finally, we managed to catch one of the colored-eyed people. So, what are we gonna do, boss? Look for the box. Here's the box. See what's in it and tell me.
No!
You want to keep your eyes, right? I have no choice. Hurry up and open the box.
Huh?
Why is your face like that? What's in the box?
Huh?
Why is your face like that? What's in the box?
It's empty.
What? You're lying to me. What's in it? Tell me now.
But I don't know what's in it. It's really empty.
Don't lie. The box you have is the fake one, not the real one. You tricked me. Hurry up and give me the original box. If you let go of Amara, I'll give you the original box. Okay, but she's gonna have to tell us what's in it first.
Emily!
Before I give you the box, can I have a word with Amara alone, please? Okay, hurry up.
Thank you, Emily, for saving me again.
No problem.
Are you sure giving them the box is a good idea?
We'll just give them a fake box again.
You want me to lie to them?
They won't even know we're lying because they can't see what's in it. Only you can.
Okay, if you say so.
Here you go. This is the box. Quickly, tell me what's inside.
It's,
Hurry!
it's filled with diamonds.
Here. Okay, now you two can go. Okay, come on. Let's go, Amara.
But are you sure they won't find out?
It's time to wear these glasses. You're being targeted. People already know your eye color. If only I could find the girl with the colorful eyes. Excuse me, miss. Do you know where the colored girl is?
No, sorry, I don't.
That's a shame. If I had known, I could have caught her.
Emily, we have to leave the city.
What happened?
Everyone knows that the colorful eyes belong to me, so I have to leave the city immediately.
It's easy then. Let's get out of the city.
But what about the box?
We have to get the box and take it abroad.
Okay then, let's go get the box now.
Let's go. This is the box. Just hold it.
Why don't we just open it now? Why is there a helicopter here?
Hey, girl with colorful eyes. We know you're there.
We have to go now. They already know we're here.
They've been chasing us this whole time. Let's go, Amara. You think you can escape from us, huh?
Sorry, please, let us go just this time.
Give us the box. Otherwise, we're gonna have to take you back to the warehouse again. Amara, quickly, open the box now and tell me what's in it.
3 wishes.
Give us the box now. Amara, hurry up and make a wish.
Okay, my first wish is for me to leave the city. My second wish is for me and Emily to be the richest people in the world. My third wish is for my eyes to go back to normal color.
Are you sure you want to let go of your power?
Yes,
So, did it work?
I think so. I can see someone's last drink or last meal. I think their last meal is more interesting. Mom, I'm gonna eat quickly before going to school. Oh my gosh, you ate a cockroach?
Yeah, I wanted to try it. I learned how to fry it online. Do you want to try some?
No, thank you. I'm going to school. Bye.
Wait, before you go, here, take a couple with you so you can eat them at lunch.
Whatever, Mom. Thanks. It turns out all my friends are healthy because they eat vegetables all the time.
Amara, what's that in your lunchbox? What kind of food is that? It looks delicious.
They're fried cockroaches. Do you want to try some?
Sure, I've never had them before. I heard they're really good. Thank you for sharing your lunch. You're usually very stingy.
I feel bad for you because you eat vegetables all the time.
How do you know that I eat vegetables?
Because I can see people's last meal.
If that's true, can you check my last meal?
Chicken liver?
Gosh, you're right.
But please don't tell anyone I have this power.
I feel like everyone who ate your cockroach yesterday is gone.
Huh? Gone? How?
They didn't come to school today. Who made that cockroach?
My mom, but it's impossible that she would poison my lunch.
The teacher now suspects you. Luckily, I didn't try your lunch yesterday, so I'm saved.
You wanted to see me, sir?
Aria said you can see someone's last meal, right? But I told her not to tell anyone. Is that true, Amara?
Yes, sir.
Meet me at the school warehouse at 3 this afternoon. I wonder why he wants me to meet him at that exact time.
Okay, sir. Why does it smell so rotten in here?
You should see their last meal.
Huh? Them? That's my friends who didn't show up to school today. Why do they look so pale?
Everyone who ate your cockroach died. One of them, as you know, is the president's daughter.
There's no way. I guarantee you my lunch wasn't poisoned.
I need you to please look at their last meal.
Huh? Why can't I see it? The last meal isn't appearing, sir.
Okay, I'll give you 3 hours. If you can't prove it, you'll be found guilty and will be punished. Buy these glasses, please. They're cheap.
No thanks. I don't want to buy any glasses.
But they have a great power. You won't regret it.
Great power? Okay, who knows? Maybe they can help me. I'll take them.
You're here, which means you can see people's last meals, right?
I'll try, sir.
This is your last chance.
Okay, I'll put on these glasses first.
So, what's their last meal? Gosh, so they really did die because of the lunch I gave them. Hello, answer me.
It wasn't because of me, sir. The last meal was chicken soup.
Okay, now keep this a secret from everyone.
So, I'm not in trouble, right, sir?
No, but please keep this a secret.
Yes, of course.
Where did you just come from, Amara?
I was just walking around the school.
I'm really starting to get worried about our friends. Do you think something bad happened to them?
No, I don't think so.
Honey, you're back from school. Let's have lunch. I just cooked.
What's our lunch this time?
Cockroaches, why? I don't know if I should eat it, but I need to find out if the reason my friends died was because of them. You don't want to eat the food?
Yes, I do, Mom.
Well, it tastes really good, doesn't it? Why didn't anything happen?
I'll get it.
Hey, I brought you a bag filled with food.
You did? I don't think I can accept this, sir.
If you don't, I'll reduce your grades.
Okay, I'll accept it.
Why is he forcing me to take this?
This is so weird. I have to find out who was responsible for what happened at school yesterday.
Amara, you're finally here.
Huh, Stephanie? How are you still alive? Am I in heaven?
I'm still alive, and we all need your help to avoid the teacher.
So you faked your death?
Yes. Honey, have your choices appeared
Yeah,
yet?
they have. It's between fire or water.
Okay, pick fire right now.
Okay, relax.
Amara, you picked fire, right?
Yeah? Mom, I'm going to school. Why are you crying? And where's Mia so she can take me to school?
Your sister Mia disappeared.
What? Why?
Because when she was younger, she chose water instead of fire. Hey, Amara.
Hey! Why is the school so quiet?
It's because everyone that picked water disappeared. We think they died, but no one really knows.
Hey, sir, why did everyone that picked water disappear?
No one really knows what happened, Amara. Why the question? Didn't you choose fire?
Yeah, of course.
Then you don't have to worry. Come with me.
Let go of me!
We know you picked water.
Please, it was a mistake. I don't want to die.
Die? Where did you get that from? Those who picked water don't die. What happens is...
Please, it was a mistake. I don't want to die.
Die? Where did you get that from? Those who picked water don't die. What happens is... They are all arrested.
And why are they all arrested?
Because everyone that picked fire are using water as slaves.
So that means my sister is with them?
Yes, your sister was taken by them.
Okay, what are you waiting for? Take me so I can save her.
Okay, come with me. Take this, put it on quick.
Why?
If you want to save your sister, you're gonna have to dress like them.
Wait, so does that mean you're also water too?
Yes, I'm their disguise. There, no one knows who I am. Everyone, welcome Amara, a new member of Fire.
Hello, everyone.
Go on me, I'll make hot tea now. Yes, miss, I'll go get it now. There you are, enjoy your tea.
I'm gonna get you out of here.
Amara? And now, Amara, I will need to do a test to see if you really are fire. And now, Amara, I will need to do a test to see if you really are fire.
You know, I'm not really feeling well right now. I'm feeling sick. I need to go home.
Okay, come back tomorrow. Remember, this test is really important.
Of course. Mom,
Honey, where have you been? I've been so worried about you.
there's something you should know.
What?
I picked water.
What?
It was an accident.
Oh no, they're gonna take you too.
You don't have to worry. I got this under control. I know where Mia is.
You know where Mia is? Where is she?
The fires took her. They're treating her as a slave with the rest of the waters.
We need to get her out of there.
Don't worry, Mom. I have a plan. You're fire, right? You can help her and all the waters escape.
How am I gonna do that?
Here, put this on. We're going back there. Why black? I don't even know how I have a black lipstick, but let's go. That's for the black lipstick.
Hey, whoa. What's up with the black lipstick?
What's up with the wedding dress?
My soulmate made me.
Same.
Hey guys, sorry about the pink shoes. My soulmate made me wear it.
It's just a coincidence.
Hey Amara, I'm gonna have to speak to you after class. Amara, I'm gonna have to speak to you after class. Okay, everyone's free to go home now.
Hey Jenny, can you walk out with me?
Wasn't Sarah gonna speak to you?
I don't want to talk to him.
Why not?
Because I think he's gonna tell me he's my soulmate.
What? Isn't he
I
married?
don't know. Hey, you wanted to speak to me?
Yeah, I wanted to tell you
Wait,
that.
before you say anything, I just wanted you to know that I'm not into you like that, and I'm pretty sure it's illegal.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
I was gonna say I think you're my son's soulmate.
It doesn't make sense. Why are you wearing the pink shoes then?
Because I wanted to support him. He was feeling very insecure in them.
Oh. Sorry about that.
Yeah, he told me to look for a girl wearing black lipstick.
He's your son?
Yeah, do you want to see a picture of him?
Sure.
He told me to look for a girl wearing black lipstick.
He's your son?
Yeah, want to see a picture of him?
Sure. Damn. That's your son?
Yeah.
He kind of looks like a criminal.
What?
I'm just joking.
Is it because of the black
No,
lipstick?
not at all. Black looks good on him. See you later. Jenny, guess what? My soulmate's super hot and he has this, edgy look to him.
Wasn't your soulmate our teacher?
No. It's his son.
Okay, this is weird.
And I'm gonna meet him today.
You should be careful.
Be careful for what?
You've never met the guy. You don't know how he could be like. Amara, have you seen the news? It's about a guy
me
wearing
see.
black lipstick. Have you seen the news? It's about a guy wearing black lipstick.
Let me see.
What? What happened?
I think that was my soulmate.
No way. This guy's a criminal.
I don't know what to do. He told me to meet him at the park alone.
Don't go. He might try to hurt you.
Yeah, but like, why alone? You know what? I'm gonna go. He's my soulmate. He's not gonna hurt me. Can't believe I'm doing this. Wait, that's him. Why is there with so many people wearing black lipstick? This is weird. Hey,
Oh, hi. You're my soulmate, right?
what's going on?
We want you to join our group.
Group? Would you guys like rob places or something?
That's one of the things. You
I'm
in?
not doing this.
Get rid of her. Please just listen to them. Trust me. Wear this.
I'm not doing this.
Get rid of her. Please just listen to them. Trust me. Wear this. Now we're talking.
I don't get it. Why do I have to wear black?
No reason. We just think it looks cool.
Okay. What now?
There's a VIP event happening tonight. It's gonna be full of multimillionaires. Your task is to distract them, while your soulmate takes care of the rest.
What's he gonna do?
You'll see. Now hurry up, you're gonna be late.
Please don't tell me we're actually gonna do this.
Shh, listen. I couldn't speak much because they were around us, but I have a plan. I've been trying to leave the group for a while now, and I'm so happy I found you because you're gonna help
What
me.
are we gonna do?
We're gonna trick them into believing we actually completed the task. So, do we have a deal?
Deal.
I knew you wouldn't disappoint.
Come on, give me something cool. I can see people's locations. Well, that's a bit boring, isn't it? Hey, Mom.
So, what did you get, sweetie?
I can see people's locations.
Can you check where your brother is for me?
Sure. Where is my brother? It says he's at Jackson's house.
At Jackson's house? He's supposed to be at school.
Gotta go, Mom.
Hey, Giselle, can you see people's locations?
Yeah, I can.
Can you please look to see where my boyfriend is?
Of course. Where's Isabel's boyfriend? It says he's at Olivia's house.
Olivia's house? I knew he was cheating on me.
Mom, I'm home.
Honey, please check to see where your dad is.
Yeah. Where's my dad? It says he's getting sushi.
Hey guys, I'm home.
Dad, you're supposed to be getting sushi.
What do you mean? No, I'm not.
Mom, I'm home.
Honey, please check to see where your dad is.
Yeah. Where is my dad? It says he's getting sushi.
Hey guys, I'm home.
Dad? You're supposed to be getting sushi.
What do you mean? No, I'm not.
Hey, Mom, can I talk to you alone for a second?
Sure, honey. What did you want to talk about, sweetie?
Are you sure that's really Dad?
Of course it is. What do you mean?
His location says he's still getting sushi.
It's probably just a glitch. I can't deal with this right now. I have to go finish dinner.
Now he's on his way home. You know what? Maybe the thing was glitching. Where is my dad? In trouble? Dad?
Giselle, get your mom and get out of the house. You two are in trouble. The man there is not me.
You know what? Maybe the thing was glitching. Where is my dad? He's in trouble? Dad?
Giselle, get your mom and get out of the house now. You two are in trouble. The man there is not me.
What do you mean it's not... Mom?
Sweetie, you're just in time for dinner.
Actually, can I talk to you first?
Can it wait till after we've eaten?
No, it can't. This is important.
Fine, but make it quick. So, what's this about?
Mom, we have to get out of here now.
What do you mean? Why?
The man in the kitchen is not Dad.
Giselle, you're being ridiculous. Of course it's Dad.
No, it's not, because Dad just called me and told me we need to leave.
Is this another one of your silly jokes? I don't have time for this.
No, Mom, I'm not. Look. Where is Dad?
Hey, what's going on in here? I'm starving. So, what's this about?
Mom, we have to get out of here now.
What do you mean? Why?
The man in the kitchen is not Dad.
You're being ridiculous. Of course it's Dad.
No, it's not, because Dad just called me and told me we need to leave.
Giselle, is this another one of your silly jokes? I don't have time for this.
No, Mom, I'm not. Look. Where is Dad?
What are you two doing? I'm starving.
Me and Giselle are just about done here. Let's go set the table.
Honey, the food was so good. Giselle, aren't you gonna thank your mom for the food?
Yeah. Thanks, Mom.
Giselle, can I talk to you? Alone?
What did you want to talk about?
I know you know I'm not your dad, and I want to know how you found out. You better not say another word to your mom.
You're not gonna hurt us, are you?
I won't hurt you if you cooperate with me. The outcome depends on you, do you understand?
Understood.
So, honey, what's your first choice?
A new car.
That's great. Are you gonna take it?
No, my car's fine. There's somebody else who needs it.
Giselle, oh my goodness, you can get a house. You have to choose yourself.
Well, I mean, I still live with my parents, so I'm fine. There's somebody out there who really needs a place to stay.
Giselle, your choices.
$20,000?
Come on, girl, you have to take it.
I don't need that much money.
Are you crazy? You just passed up $20,000. Hey, Giselle, me and my friends are going to Cabo on holiday. Do you want to come?
Yeah, I would love to. But I don't have the money for that.
Oh, that's right. I told you you had to choose yourself.
Maybe it was stupid to give it all away.
Excuse me, are you Giselle? We received all your gifts and we want to repay you.
What? Age? What is that supposed to mean? Hey, Mom, why does it say age above my head?
Oh, that's your ability, honey.
What kind of an ability is age?
That means you can see people's ages.
Seriously? That's not even cool.
Stop being so ungrateful. Now go to school.
Fine.
Hey, Giselle, so which ability did you get?
I can see people's ages. How about you?
Every single time I make a wish, it comes true.
Seriously? Did everybody get a cool ability except for me?
Sucks to suck, I guess. I wonder how old our sub is.
He's 69.
How do you know that?
Just my dumb ability.
Hey, I'm new. My name's Edward.
What, do you want a cookie? Wait, you're 117?
How do you...
Are you ready to find out how much we owe?
Yeah, hopefully it isn't too much.
Yes, mine is $100. How about yours?
I got $1 million.
Yikes, looks like you're never meeting your soulmate then.
Gee, thanks.
Just trying to lighten the mood.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, sweetie, what's wrong?
The amount I owe to meet my soulmate is $1 million.
Well, you better get a job then.
You and I both know a normal job is not gonna get me that much.
Don't be silly, sweetie. It will, when you're 50.
Seriously, Mom?
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to help.
Whatever, I'm going to school.
Giselle, guess what? I already met my soulmate.
Seriously? How?
I only had to pay $10.
You only had to pay $10 and I had $1 million? This system is whack.
Will that be all for you today?
Yeah, that's it.
So you need some money to meet your soulmate, huh?
How do you know that?
Not important, but I can help you get it.
I thought my boyfriend was my soulmate. I don't care. Hey, Mom.
Who did you choose, honey?
I picked Tyler, of course.
Oh, Tyler? I knew you guys were meant to be.
Yeah, I'm about to go meet him. Bye, Mom.
Hey, Giselle, over here.
Tyler, hey! Oh my gosh, you got me flowers?
No, actually,
What is it?
the flowers aren't for you.
Wait, what do you mean they aren't for me?
Well, you see,
Hey, babe.
Tyler, who is this?
she's my soulmate.
So you... I want to be alone.
No, wait. I think I've seen you before. Yeah, I remember.
Come on, give me black. Blue? What the heck is blue? Whatever. Hey, Mom.
Honey, what are you wearing?
Oh, this is the color I was assigned.
You were assigned blue. You have to go change now.
But why?
No questions, just do as I say.
Is this better?
Yes, whatever you do, make sure nobody finds out you have blue, okay? Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Hey Giselle, oh my gosh, you got black too?
Yeah, of course.
Did you hear what happened to Jessica?
No, what do you mean?
She got the color blue, so they took her away.
She got blue too?
Wait, what do you mean too? Did you actually get blue?
Come on, how bad can it be? 6 times? Very bad, apparently. I can't believe Mr. Fitz just made us run the mile.
Yeah, me either. Here, I got you a drink.
Oh, no thanks. I've got my own. Did you just try to poison me?
What? No, I would never. Hey Giselle, your mom is here to pick you up.
My mom? But she doesn't get here until 6.
Well, you have to go outside. Somebody's waiting for you.
Well, then they can wait some more. What is going on? I don't know what's happening, but it's freaking me out.
Giselle, you have to come hide with me.
No, I'm not gonna.
Shut up and come with me.
Fine. Okay, why are we hiding in here?
Be quiet and look up.
Wait, how did you...
Okay, so basically the story is...
Hopefully the word I get isn't too bad. Well, could have been worse. Morning, Mom.
Morning, honey. I made breakfast. Do you want some?
Oh my goodness, I'm starving, so no.
Wait, what?
Never mind. I'm going to school.
Hey Giselle, does my outfit look okay today?
What? No.
Really? But I thought I looked cute today.
Sorry.
Giselle, did you finish your assignment?
No.
Well, are you planning to finish it?
No.
Okay, that's it. Detention.
Hey Giselle, do you have a date to prom yet?
No, but I'm really hoping Caleb will ask me.
I heard he wants to talk to you later.
Seriously? Fingers crossed.
Hey, Giselle.
Caleb, hey.
Will you be my date to prom?
Really? No.
For real?
No, what I meant to say was... Come on, he better send me a good item. A YouTube plaque? Wait, my soulmate's an influencer?
Hey Giselle, what item did your soulmate send you?
He sent me his YouTube plaque.
Wait, so your soulmate's a YouTuber?
Yeah, I guess he is.
So who is it?
I haven't checked yet. What if I don't like his content?
Okay, fine, I'll look.
No, I want to meet him first.
What? You literally have his name and you're not gonna look?
Attention class, we have a new student. Please do everything you can to make him feel welcome.
Yo, Giselle, look how cute the new guy is.
He's okay. He's not that cute.
I can't believe you don't think the new guy is cute.
Like I said, he's okay.
Wait, no way, he's coming this way.
Hey, I'm Jack.
I'm Giselle.
Wait, why are you holding my YouTube plaque?
Wait, this is yours? I only have to kiss 5 more people. Let's go. Oh, hey, Caleb.
Hey, Giselle, how are you doing today?
I'm actually feeling a little down today.
Is there anything I can do to make you feel better?
Yeah, there is. Kiss me.
Oh, say less. Did that make you feel better?
Yep, much better.
Girl, are you coming to Jessica's party tonight?
A party means more people to kiss. I'll be there.
Hey, you're really cute.
Oh yeah? Well, if I'm so cute, why don't you kiss me?
Damn, let's go.
Hey, do you guys want to play Truth or Dare?
Yeah, I picked Dare.
Perfect, I dare you to kiss me.
Alright, come here.
Hey, weird question, but will you kiss me?
What do you mean? I'm your soulmate.
Wait, what?
$300 every time your soulmate kisses someone.
Hell yeah, hopefully he goes on a kissing spree today. Hey mom, can you give me $50 to go to the mall with my friends?
Honey, I really think you need to get a job.
Never mind, mom. Soulmate really coming in clutch.
Hey Giselle, so what did you get today?
I get $300 every time my soulmate kisses someone. Oh, speaking of, my balance just went up.
Seriously, you're so lucky.
Damn, boy, can you calm down? You're gonna catch mono or something.
Girl, are you coming to Jake's party tonight?
He's like the hottest guy in school. I wouldn't miss it.
Hey Giselle, do you want to kiss me?
VJ Cryan wants to kiss me? Hell yeah.
Damn, you're not so bad.
Come on, please. Everything I touch multiplies? Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Hey, Mom.
You forgot to wash the shirt. What just happened?
I'm going to school.
Hey Giselle,
Oh, hey, Jess.
here's your pen back.
Thanks.
Hey, can you please hold this for me real quick?
No, I can't.
Come on, just hold it.
I told you I can't.
This literally sucks.
What's wrong?
I only have one candy.
Only one? Give it to me.
No, I'm not gonna.
Just give it to me.
Fine. Whoa, what?
I told you.
Can you multiply this for me too?
That? No way.
Just take it.
I need to get at least a 7. An X? But I thought I could only get numbers. Hey, Mom.
What number did you get, honey?
About that. I got an X. I didn't get a number.
An X? Let me see. It's true, you have to hide it.
What do you mean? Why do I have to cover it?
If somebody sees it, they're gonna take you away. You have to hide it, okay?
Yes, Mom.
Hey Giselle, what number did you get?
Oh, I got a 4.
Why are you wearing a sweater? It's so hot today.
I'm just always cold.
That's weird, but okay. Have you heard the government is here?
The government? Why are they here?
It's rumored that somebody got an X and they're searching for them. It's crazy, right?
Yeah, crazy. I don't really care how much it is because my daddy will just pay it for me. $2 million? That's how much I paid for my Chanel bag yesterday. What a steal. Daddy,
There's my little princess.
I need you to write me a check for $2 million.
I gave you 2 million yesterday.
That was for a Chanel bag. This is to meet my soulmate.
Oh, well, of course. Anything for you, sweetie.
Thanks, Dad. Hi, I'm here to cash in to meet my soulmate.
Of course, how much do you owe?
$2 million.
Would you like to set up a payment plan?
A payment plan? Please, I'm not a peasant. My daddy wrote me this check.
I'll go cash that in for you.
Oh, you're back. Where's my soulmate?
I'm afraid you gave me a faulty check.
A faulty check?
Yeah, as in it's fake.
No, I don't think you understand. My daddy could buy you.
Well, you better call your daddy to bail you out of jail then.
My father will hear about this. Come on, please give me a good score. A 4.5? That's not too bad. I can make that work. Good morning, Mom.
So, what rating did you get?
I got a 4.5.
What? That's not good enough. Our whole family has 5 stars.
No, I know, but I'm gonna get it up today, I promise.
You better, because you know what's gonna happen if you don't.
Yeah, I'm going to school.
Hey Giselle,
Jessica, hey.
we're wearing the same sweater.
Oh, yeah, looks like we're twinning.
No, you need to take it off.
What do you mean? I'm not gonna take it off.
If you don't want to, I'm gonna rate you a
No,
1.
but
You should have listened. Giselle, you failed your math test again. I'm gonna have to give you a low score. I'm sorry.
my parents are literally gonna kill me.
Hey, is it true you need to get your rating up?
Yeah?
I can help you. Okay, honey, what role did you get?
I got background character.
It's very important that you don't overplay your role. Stick to it, okay? Pay no attention to yourself.
Yeah. Okay, Mom. Hey, so what role did you get?
Background character, how about you?
Great, me too. This is perfect. Now nobody's gonna pay any attention to us.
Yeah, we're practically invisible. Come on, let's go.
Class, please welcome our new student, Jake.
Giselle, you're staring.
I
Don't tell me you like the new guy. He's the main character. Whatever you do, you can't talk to him.
No, you're right. I won't talk to him.
Damn, watch where. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
Nice to meet you. I'm Jake.
Come on, give me something useful. I could see my soulmate search history. Did I not say useful? Morning, Mom.
So, what did you get, honey?
I could see my soulmate search history.
Well, what did he search?
Trust me, you don't want to know. I'm going to school. It's 7 a.m. and Bro's already on the corn hub. Feet pics? He has a foot fetish too? How to spell beautiful? I can't even say anything about that one, cause honestly, same. How to ask out my crush? I don't know, maybe ask her for feet pics.
Hey, Giselle.
Oh, hey Jake, what's up?
Can you help me real quick? I googled how to ask out my crush, but there's nothing useful. You're a girl, how do I do it?
Are you ready to see how much words you have, honey? Okay, look.
No way, I got 10 million.
10 million? You're not allowed to use any of them.
But why?
Because I said so. Use them and you'll be in big trouble, do you understand? Hey Giselle, how many words do you have?
Wait, do you not have any?
Sorry, I can't be friends with somebody that has no words. Good luck though. I can't believe she has 0 words. What a loser.
Class, today we have a new student, but he doesn't have any words, so please be nice. Giselle, raise your hand. You can go sit next to her.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look. The two mutes are falling in love.
So, are you not going to say anything to me?
I thought you had no words.
And I thought you had none. If this is what I think it is, you're just like me. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone.
Please, it has to be vampire. A witch? But that's not even one of the options. Mom?
Honey, please tell me you got vampire.
Yeah, of course.
Thank gosh, I'm so happy you didn't get werewolf.
What would happen if somebody got witch?
Witches don't exist, sweetie. They're just a myth.
Right. I'm going to school.
Hey, so did you get vampire?
Hey, yeah, I did. Did you?
Yeah, I did too.
That's great.
Did you hear somebody got an odd creature?
Odd? What do you mean odd?
Somebody got witch and now everyone's looking for them. I'd hate to be that person.
Yeah, I really feel bad for that person.
Giselle, did you hear? They're doing a creature check today.
Wait, they're doing a creature check?
Yeah, but we have nothing to worry about.
Yeah. Thankfully, we're safe.